morning, 2nd of August 2013. Now it's about 4 quarter past 4, and you could see our market, the KLCI, is barely trying to stay above the 1780. It did open up at 1781, went up high to 1787, but only to see institutional as well as small time retailer distributing or selling into this rally, with the Fitch rating that most of you have heard about, the negative outlook. It's actually a negative outlook. That's about it. It hasn't downgraded the uh, the rating of the country, and as such, that has a chain effect to all the companies that is listed and related to Khazanah Holding, including Telecom Malaysia's Maybank. Have you seen some of those that have taken a hit? So as such, we still have some sort of support here. I will show you where the support is. But having said that, the market has lost out a bit, after making new high last week. I think 26th of July, or a week earlier. Before that at 1811, but today it's all green, and 2 days when the negative outlook came out, the market sell off about 20 points. Okay, now looking back my notes here, dated last week, 26th of July. Let's cross you over to this here. This was Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. We were somewhere here. Okay, we were somewhere here, and I did mention there was a resistance at 1810. We did have 11 to 10 consecutive bars. That is why we are turning bearish, in the sense that the market just don't go up in a straight line. They do go up, they pull back a bit more, and that's how they go up. I did mention too on my notes dated 26 July that the support level is at here. Okay, let me see, the support level is at 1790, 17,008. Let me just draw it up for you. Yeah. Oh, this one here. Okay, this was the support that I'm looking at. But since then, no, this one's not working too well. Let me get a pen first. This was the support that I was looking at. But since then, it has broken down. So what happens? This now becomes a resistance. That's right. Okay, this has become the resistance. If you follow technical analysis, this is how we look at, and it's very important at that time for the market to go higher. The base building 1710 need to happen, but we broke through that. So in the shorter term, the KLCA has turned bearish downtrend. So you notice I haven't finished up the August stock market comment, as I was kind of busy with a couple of things out at the front, also with our fund management. We've been getting a lot of funds from a lot of our clients who were very impressed, so-called, our conservative mandate that we've been handling, and we seems to be doing well this year despite a lot of calamity, a lot of volatility that we see in the market. So things has worked out very well for the first 7 months. Now, going forward to the second half, we have to be extremely careful of what kind of stocks we want to put in. I think in our talk on the 27 July, I did talk about a strategy going in, how to buy stocks or how to invest in stock. And that was the low beta, high dividend yield. There's a lot of information that I put into that. So those of you who want to, as a premium member, you can get it off at a good rate. It's about 3.5 hours of market insight outlook that is available, and it come attached to your premium members. So just a small a token or fee to pay our IT people who load up the server, who load up the software in there, and we spend a couple of $1,000s just doing that, and we are trying to recover back our cost. So any support that you guys wanted to access the 27 July market outlook convention, it's definitely good to look at that. All right. Now, going forward, as you can see here, this is where we are today. Market has support at 1717 here. That's a big one. But the major support, it's about 1,700 level here. And if I'm not mistaken, there is where the 200-day moving average is also residing. Let me just show you that if I'm correct. We know these things. After being a while in the market, you tend to know this kind of things. Study, moving average, simple, parameter 200. Let's see where we are. Yeah, oh, 1690. See, I told you, right? So, after you play around with, you know where the major support is. It's about 1700 level here, and this is something I definitely think if it does break to the 1730, it will come back and retest this as again going forward. The outlook, those weekend holders, the institutional one, they might just leave at this moment. Okay, now going forward, what we think is last week market was 1808. Today is 1778, 1780. So we have lost 20 over points. It's still green in here, right? So let's look at here. As you can see, we are turning into a sideways bearish mode. A sideways short-term bearish mode. As you can see, we can build this very nicely by drawing the trend channel that we have here and another one here too. Okay, another trend channel in here at 1770, 1760. So I would think to go short next week. Now remember, also next week, we have the Hari Raya on Thursday and Friday, and Wednesday is a half day trading. So relatively, it is a very short trading week, and a lot of people are away. As of now, we could see in the Kuala Lumpur Klang Valley, the traffic flows are coming back. There were very lot of traffic, a lot of people leaving town.